Words.
I'm saying some words. I'm saying some words. I'm waiting for the go live. Oh my god, it's happening. Help. Okay, I'm gonna pause my music and I'm gonna mute the Twitch stream because otherwise it's working, which is terrible.
Wow. Okay. 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 Wow.
Yeah. Wait, so what? Can you summarize what you did?
Yes. Yes, I can. Um. uh. What I did was I installed Loopback, which is a piece of a piece of software for the Macintosh, for Mac OS. And what I then did was I wired Google Chrome as well as a pass-through thing that Loopback has, as well as my Blue Snowball microphone, which is the microphone that I'm using, all into some output channels that Loopback provides. And then I um, uh, restarted Streamlabs OBS, which maybe I didn't need to do, but it seems to have helped. And told Streamlabs OBS that the input device for Streamlabs OBS should be the loopback audio device, which is now the combination of my Blue Snowball microphone and Google Chrome, which is where you have your audio.
Cool.
Uh,
Also, I can't see the screen on the Meet, only on Twitch.
yeah, that's because I need to share it with you.
Fine with me. I'm watching you share it with me. Okay, great. I'll pay attention to the Meet now.
Great. Cool. I think we're ready to continue.
Great.
Um,
Let's debug this crazy. Oh yeah, you can tell people it's working. Yeah.
okay. Okay. This is fabulous. This is what I want in like. Um, oh, interesting. Okay. Actually, a thing that I should hilariously do is maybe purchase Loopback, which is kind of
Oh,
funny because otherwise it
will something
uh,
bad happen to us?
it says that the audio will degrade after 20 minutes, and I'd prefer that not to happen. So
Right.
let's just take care of that now because life will be easier if I do so.
Okay, you can type your credit card number, and I'll just sit here and chill.
Yeah,
Uh,
cool. That's fine.
Great.
I'm hoping it'll let me do PayPal because that'll be easier than having to put in a credit card number. It will.
Great. I love how we've got this inscrutable error that we have to debug next.
Yeah. I remember running into this error before. Um, could not for the life of me tell you what the solution was.
Great.
But
I
I'm
look
like,
forward to finding out together.
yeah, basically. Cool. Okay, I have a code for loopback, which is gonna make life easier, hopefully, and means that our audio won't magically degrade.
Hmm.
Okay, cool. By the way, if you're listening to the stream and you hear the audio magically degrade, please let us know because then it means I have to do strange things. But I think everything's gonna be fine. I think it's smooth sailing from here. Okay, great. So, coming back to where we were, um, what we have is this again somewhat inscrutable.
Wait. Let's just do the briefcase run freshly for anybody new.
Sure. So since the last time we did the briefcase run before all of the problems with sound audio that we discovered, thank you again. What was that lovely person's name? Games
Oh,
Brainiac. Thank you.
yes.
Um, so before we had downloaded the Python support package because that was something that we needed to download to this computer because it was fresh. And now we're able to just do a briefcase run on Hera, but we get this ls open URLs with role error
Yeah,
1080.
we can all see it. So what are we going
Click.
to do about it? So we have two options. We can either Google it or we can try to run the app directly. Uh,
We could
let's
let's.
try Googling it first.
Okay, I was gonna. You don't want to do just like Python.
No, because I want to know. Oh, debugging it's fine, but I mean, uh,
I could just Google this thing.
yeah, Google this thing, and you'll need to remove the minus because Google will treat it as a search exclusion.
Hey, that's something I just learned, and that's unfortunate and weird. No, I don't want you to open in that browser. I want you to open in this browser. Here we go. Cool.
The
Great.
eternal revenue stream of Led Zeppelin. Look, BeeWare briefcase! Hooray! Big Mac. First hit.
Wow. Uh, cool.
Okay, good. What do they
And
do?
launch services framework is misbehaving. Uh, uh, interesting.
Uh, oh, shared library problems? Really?
Uh, this is where I almost wish we had Russell on the stream because then he would
I
be
mean, we
like,
could be he's asleep, so we'll
"That's
do our
yeah."
best.
I don't. Yeah, exactly. I'm just gonna scroll until I see something that looks like, "Aha! That
Yeah,
solved it
cool.
for me."
Yeah.
Problem with pre-built libraries in Yosemite. Upgrade to Sierra. Get entropy issue.
I love getting groupy.
For those trying to clone and make, keep in mind you really want to clone and make these. I shouldn't have to remake the Python support library. It should just be
Yes, it should work.
fine.
The point of this all is that
Oh,
it
hey,
works.
okay, I have a working build. Appears if you're building a macOS 10.11.6, we don't need to set the LD flags. I wasn't able to build NumPy. Why were you trying to build? Okay, all right, it's
This
fine.
person's actually modifying the compiled Apple support library.
Yeah, that's cool. Not quite sure about the best way to patch this. Got this error too. Um,
Oh, interesting. Okay, this is better. Try doing this. Try running your app's contents resources Python bin Python 3.
by running, do you mean that I should just?
General.
Yeah, yeah, and just so.
User Saldini, Hera, macOS, Hera, Hera.app.
Hold on a second. Where the heck is the thing?
Okay.
It's gonna be. It's right. Mac. Whoa. Okay.
Capital
Thanks.
O, capital S. It's not including it in the completion. Don't worry about it too much.
There we go.
Yeah. Contents, I think resources is what it said, but move the.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here, I can. We can do both on the same screen. That's fine.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking
It's
for.
not. It's gonna be a little hidden by my thing on the stream. So it
No,
looks
it's
like
quite clear. It's quite clear.
okay.
Oh, I guess I'm watching the Hangouts, but still.
Resources. That's fascinating. Why? What's
Mhm.
there? Did
Support. Oh, interesting.
yeah, we changed the
What's in
layout.
support?
Support.
Bin Python.
Yeah, that's interesting that we changed the layout of the support package. I mean, this is something we did in the past 2 years or whenever.
Yeah, it's a briefcase 3ism, 0.3ism. The
Okay,
fact.
should I
So
try
press
this?
enter. Press enter. Okay, good. Okay. At least that works. Um,
Oh, this is interesting. Wait. Python subject is supposed to automatically collect and extract the file into the right place. Notice the download fails or just continues. Nothing is wrong. I just want to double
but
check.
that's a plugin too.
Okay.
Yeah, that worked.
Okay. Cool.
Okay, so you know how you still have the stuff in setup.py? Remove it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. You think I should just like go over? Oh, that's not at all what I wanted. I wanted to actually keep this open. Go to setup.py. And you think I should just get rid of all this?
At least anything BeeWare specific.
Wait,
Honestly, at this point, maybe we should stop manually hacking and look at the 0.2 upgrade guide.
cool. I like this idea. This is a good idea. I think if I go back one page, I'll find it because it was like upgraded from Briefcase 0.2.
Yeah.
The change is also backwards incompatible. Yep.
Mm-hmm,
That's what
mm-hmm.
a breaking change means.
Oh, you probably should add that
Oh,
tools
I probably
to
need
do that.
this. Yeah, cool. Okay, so
That's
let's.
probably the whole story.
I would believe that that's the whole story. I'm just gonna. I was debating on whether I should pretend that I'm going to use any other things, but I think the answer
Targets.
is no.
Yeah.
And is this the latest version?
And
Here's a question that you might actually know the answer to. Is this the latest version of Toga Coco? How would I find
well,
that
I think it
out?
is. I think 0.3.0 is out. In your pip file, what version of briefcase are you using? Dev 11? No, that's for Toga. Star. I see. In your pip file.lock, what version of briefcase are you using?
uh, Briefcase 3.0.
0.3.0. Yeah, so use 0.3.0 everywhere. For Toga,
I
as
see.
well as for this guy.
So should I make this just the straight
Equals
O?
equals 0. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I don't know for sure that Toga had a 0.3 release, but it really should have.
Let's find out, and then do a
Yeah.
pip install and see what happens.
Yep.
Like either this will work or it'll throw an error, and both of those will be interesting cases.
Agreed.
Yep, pip file lock is out of date. Thank you, pip file. Oh, hilariously, I need to actually pin your video instead of. There we go.
Oh, okay.
Ah, people were seeing a like weird version of you that was just you were sharing your screen, and I should fix that
Oh, I
perhaps.
see, I see, I see.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
No
Okay.
Toga matching. Fine. Okay, so bring your Toga back. Hold on. Let's look at PyPI for Toga and double check the latest version. I bet the docs are up to date, but let's just double check.
Cool. This is saying the latest version
We need the
is.
pre. Is there a pre listed somewhere?
Mm, isn't there?
Is
I
there a
thought there
list
was
of versions?
latest version. Here we go.
Hover over that, yeah. Or click that.
Oh wait, release history. Here we go.
Yeah, that's better. Yeah,
3.0
Dev
Dev
19. Grab Dev 19.
19. Okay.
And try to grab Dev 19 everywhere. Yeah.
When you say everywhere, tell me more about what you mean by that. Oh, like
PyPI
here.
Toml. Yeah. I'm just assuming that the yeah, there's a good reason to think the macOS stuff and this should be synced.
Cool. Great. Oh
Yeah.
man. Wow, I'm at very low FPS for some reason. I'm gonna change. I'm gonna try to flip some
Okay.
things. I'm just happy that we got your audio. Quite honestly,
Yeah,
like
I
we can hear
actually, me
you.
too. This is cool.
Yeah. Uh, we have 6 viewers. That's amazing. How nice.
Wow, this is
Yeah.
fun. We have friends.
Yeah.
Lucking. Yeah, it's funny. I've got a desktop machine here with a wired network connection, so like clearly you should just come over and do this here.
The state of California would not like me to do that.
Okay, well then I guess we can stick to this plan.
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Now we're getting somewhere.
Yeah.
Where? I don't know, but somewhere.
Yeah.
Huh.
It is beautiful and hilarious and tragic that like we the whole point of Hera, maybe it's also appropriate. So the whole point of Hera is for people to not have to worry about this stuff, but we sure have been doing some worrying about this stuff.
Well, but yeah, I think that's exactly that's 100%
Right.
correct.
That's
Also,
right. It's not tragic. It's actually appropriate. That's
right.
good. What a relief.
We are paying all of the pain of doing this so that others don't have to.
Yeah.
I'll be right back.
Oh, okay. Fine. Bye. So it's just little me on the stream, and I don't even have a computer anymore. Okay. I can't even type into this thing.
What thing?
I thought you were going to be your computer. I didn't realize how soon you'd be back.
Pretty
What are
soon,
you
as it
eating?
turns out. Huh?
What? What are you
Um.
eating?
Sorry, weird cognitive dissonance moment.
What are you eating?
Oh, I don't know. I had a little thing over here.
Okay, great. Makes me want to get a date brownie thing from the kitchen.
Oh man, this is
Okay, I think you should actually RMRF macOS
yeah,
and
that
try
sounds
it.
about right. Except for will it then have to re-download the support library?
Yeah. No, it won't re-download it. It'll just re-unpack it.
Cool. I hope you're right.
Yeah. We're doing this RMRF because that's where Briefcase will make the macOS app, just in
So I'm
case
gonna do
anyone.
this again. How about?
Yeah, great. Boom, 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 boom. Using app
Yeah,
template.
great, love it.
Okay, that seems appropriate. It's now like 4 months old, so I'm curious about upgrading it, but whatever.
I mean, yeah, one of the things that I would love to have for BeeWare across the board is a better unified CI pipeline, so that like everything kind of happens in lockstep.
Yeah, I agree.
Hey, we're doing this. Okay, this
Hooray!
is this is things are happening.
I'm actually confused about why we didn't see this before, but
Me
I agree.
too.
Maybe we did, it's just that it was the previous failure. I don't know though.
Maybe. Hey, whoa! Oh, I forgot to mouse over my bar so you couldn't see the thing popping up and down. But
What am I
this
looking at?
you're about to
Oh,
be
look
looking
at
at
Hera.
Hera.
It
Uh,
launched to its file open window.
yeah,
Wow.
yeah, because that is what it thinks it should do. So if we click open,
Wow.
this should
Wow.
so there's no great loading screen, which is also on my list of things to do because what's happening in the background right now is it's actually spinning up a local IPython notebook server.
Oh,
Uh,
because you don't run it with the viewer first. You actually launch it with IPython, with Jupyter Notebook. You're not using Notebook Viewer.
I don't believe I am. I think I'm doing the whole kit and caboodle. So there's obviously some optimizations we could make here. I'm also kind of hoping now that this will load. We're gonna find out. Hmm.
If it hasn't worked yet, well, I don't really think it will.
I don't know, man. It could just be taking a while.
You can look at HTOP or something.
Yeah. All right. Uh.
Reinstall it. Oh, brand name top. Very
Yeah.
nice.
Brand name top and see if.
Wow, OBS is the winner.
Yeah.
Hard to say what's going on. I don't
Uh.
see much Python though, and I'd expect to see some Python if it were busy.
Yeah, that's a fair point. Although Google Chrome, who knows how much that's taking up. Um, okay, so that seems like not the way. If I come back here, yeah, that's really
Well,
fascinating.
we want to see the app logs, don't we?
I
How
think
the heck are we
so.
going to see the app logs?
I think the way we're gonna see the app logs is we're gonna open this in the not app version. We're just gonna like run the Python version, and
Cool.
then you see what I'm saying. So I'm gonna
Yep,
quit
yep.
this.
Briefcase dev. Is that right?
Whoa, does that work?
Yeah, briefcase tip on briefcase dev. I don't know how different it is.
I was just gonna do like pip and run Python app.
I see, I see, I see. Actually already forgot what briefcase dev does.
Cool. Well, it's starting in dev mode. Oh, it can't find users fielding the hair icons. There's probably a thing where I need to add that to the PyProject.toml in some
Yeah, that's true.
meaningful way, but I don't know how to do that. We'll find
The
out.
proving way is looking in your home directory for its icon, so that's insane.
Ah, cool. Okay. Can't find icons.
That's fine.
So here's what it's actually
Here,
doing, which is
yeah.
Python notebook. Oh, okay. Now that worked that time, and that's sure weird.
So it's not working in, it is working in this, but not working in briefcase build, whatever it is.
That does seem to be the case. The only hint that I could get here is this NSView is deprecated in 10.7 and later, but that's not super useful per se.
Yeah, I wonder if if it matters.
I should also make this. I should pull up the terminal just a bit so people in the stream can see what we're seeing.
Oh, sure, yeah.
Would be nice.
Okay, so the next question, can
Yeah.
you control C this and then run the app directly by like
Sorry, I
Mac
missed a word
OS?
there. Say that. Say that again.
Control C this
Oh yeah.
or quit it.
Whatever.
/ Mac OS / your app name Hera / Hera.app. Yeah, contents, what's in here?
Is it
Resources.
resources or is it MacOs?
Oh, maybe it's macOS. Maybe it's
I
macOS.
think it's
Why not?
because you want to run the actual
Yeah, yeah,
Python app script, right? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah.
Hera,
Better.
and then there we go.
Enter.
And then I run or
Enter
run.
it.
Oh, I don't think that's gonna work.
Why not?
Let's find out. Are we seeing it?
I'm hoping that it'll at least be
Hey, we got
print.
an icon.
Yeah, and yeah, good. Does your app like print things when it runs or something?
No, but we could definitely make it so. I also can't click these, which is weird to me.
Wow, really?
I mean,
Okay.
it could just be my computer's having a moment.
I mean, the app is only, yeah, it's not really activated, right? Like we'd see. Can you click cancel?
Yes. Okay. Well, that was weird.
Okay.
Maybe this is where we go look at code, I guess, and see.
Control
Well,
C.
what's weird is that yeah, it thinks it's still running. Huh.
It is.
Okay.
Concept.
Uh. So we could throw in some logging, and we could try to do some things. Do we want to try to do some things?
I guess I want to think for a second.
Great.
Like, what is our theory about why it would work in dev but not in run? And how on earth would we know? Mm,
So in dev, it's not using the packaged Python. It is using local Python.
oh, that's a big difference.
Yep.
Okay, so then with briefcase run, can we get more output somehow? Or can we find the logs somehow? Are there logs?
Well, there might be like actual system logs, like actual factual system logs.
So I
Uh,
do you have any idea where stood out goes if you run it as an app?
I think it would log to like the global macOS system log that I'm trying to remember the name of now.
Yeah, it's possible. But
Console.
I
It's called
what?
console for reasons I
Yeah,
don't
that's right.
completely
It was
understand.
a
It's called
console.
console.
But I
Uh,
personally don't think it'll be in there. But I want you to find out.
what would I even look for?
Python. Start with
Hera?
that.
I could look for
Yeah, Harris
Hera.
fine too.
Any Python. Yep. What do you got for me? Mac OS.
Zero messages is what you got. Try any Hera.
Yeah, I think that's probably. I'm gonna do lowercase Hera. Just.
Yeah.
Hmm.
This is why I wanted to run the app from the terminal because we'd see the prints.
Okay. Well, we can try that again. You want to do this, right?
Yeah, but I'm disturbed that it clearly doesn't let you click anything.
Yeah. I mean, we can see. It's probably gonna pop up in a second. I would hope. It's
Hmm.
thinking about it. It's having a thunk. There we go. Okay, it moved.
I
It.
know that um,
Yeah, it's weird that like I
it's
can't
not
click
fully activated.
anything here. It's almost like it's like hanging, like causing the whole system to hang or something odd like that.
You could try providing a parameter on the command line that is the name of the INB in the hopes that that makes it
I
look at
don't.
argv and open it.
I don't think document apps in Briefcase work that way, my friend.
And it's how does macOS? Do me a favor and try it.
So hold on a second. You want me to do like
Running, whatever it's called, whatever the INB is called. Yeah, yeah. Enter. Um, I don't know how else um, macOS. Okay, fine. Passes these arguments in. Um,
okay, so let's kill that. Let's. Oof, man, yeah, it's really. I think it does like weird things to my system as a result of doing this. And by weird things, I mean like
yeah,
it seems to be like churning, like making things freeze in a way that I wasn't expecting.
I
So
know. The problem is that macOS has a concept of application that I don't actually understand.
well, I mean, we could learn some things now.
Yeah.
So I'm doing pip
Um,
and run briefcase run again just to kind of see like what we can see happen. Okay, starting the app. Uh, somewhere these logs are happening, these starting app logs, and I kind of wonder
that's
if
the
there's.
briefcase printout. It's not the app printout.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, here we go. This time I can click in. Okay, now I can click in, which is good. It's a
Yeah,
market improvement. And then I
it
click
is.
open. It opens the thing.
And it
Um,
would work.
right, and it would have worked by now because it's slow, but it's not that slow. Okay,
So
so
this is a web view or what?
yes.
Well, let's look at your app source.
See, I can do a reload.
Good, good, good. Okay, so then the problem is that the web view isn't going anywhere. So
or
let's
that
look
the server crashed.
right.
Right, right. Okay, so
So
let's actually look at what Hera is doing now.
yeah,
Okay, so it's got this init file. It's standard.
fine,
It's got this main. It does
fine,
nothing, and then it's got this app, which is like where the actual things happen. So
cool.
it's defining this notebook, which is a Toga document because we are doing a document style app. Um, and most of this we don't have to worry too much about. Although it's possible that some of this is out of date for modern Toga.
It worked in
Um,
briefcase dev.
that's a good point. And so here's like the real this is the money, right? Is right here.
So what I want to know is, like, is this process launching? Um, can you,
I,
um,
what's interesting is I left this in accidentally. I left in a print command,
yeah,
but I don't. How do I get that log? Is the really interesting question, right?
we
Of like,
saw it in briefcase dev, but we don't see it in briefcase run.
right,
Um, somebody was telling me that you could open a file. You could make just start logging to /temp/hello.log, and by that I mean line 29. Insert a new Python line. Log equals open paren /temp/hera.log.
wait, log what?
Open.
Oh, I see.
Let's just explicitly write to a log file and store it in /temp, and then launch the app again and see if we see that file exist.
I'm just gonna do ./hera.log because like it should be able to write to itself on its
Yeah, but
own
the problem is we
directory.
don't really know its launch directory. I'd really rather do /temp.
Oh, okay. Open /temp/hera.log, and I'm opening this right. Don't think I
Yeah,
need binary.
agreed. So leave
Uh,
it at that for now, honestly, and let's just see if the file gets created. And then if the file gets created, we'll actually write stuff to it.
yeah, if it gets created, we know we got here, right?
Yeah.
Cool. 1 second. I'm gonna see if I can get some anything. If there's anything here that's worth closing to make my computer a little easier. No. Okay, there we go. Okay. So we're doing. Which version are we doing
Run.
at this point? This thing?
Briefcase run.
Cool. Because you just want to see. Although, don't I need to? Does it need? Will it copy itself? Will
Oh
it
no,
copy?
you got a briefcase update first.
Right,
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 of
right, right,
course.
right. Yeah, I was like, I don't think that's gonna do what we want it to do. And it's briefcase update.
Yeah.
Cool. Which, by the way, kudos to. Did you write that command? Who wrote that command?
Roughly.
Yeah, kudos to Russell because that was a major pain point a while back.
Oh, cool. I keep forgetting it exists, and I just want run to do update.
I
Like, why would
hear.
I not want that?
Yeah, maybe it should be an option to run or something. I don't know. It's fine.
Yeah, I think that there's some ambiguity.
Okay, so we're doing the run. It's interesting. I apparently have two copies of the app running around. Whatever.
Yeah, I've noticed that.
Are you gonna start? You might not. It might not start, or maybe it's just gonna like hang forever. Wait.
Maybe there's something wrong. Maybe there's something wrong with my with our open.
Wait. Can you do? This is in an async context. Is it
You,
blocking on the
you,
op? What?
the open should take like about 10 milliseconds, and it should block the Python interpreter, but then it'll continue. So it's like bad programming, but it's not a problem per se.
Okay. Let's try this one more time.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. It didn't take this long before. Can you see if that file got created at least?
Sure.
Nope. It's
Nope.
probably that, like, okay, try not/temp.
Cool.
Error.log without any. Yeah,
Oh, you think it might be like hanging itself on permissions issues, basically?
that's what I think.
That would be very strange, but also very MacOs.
That's the thing.
Slob's crash handler. I wonder who was a slob. I don't know.
Whoever it is, there's multiple of them.
Okay, so now did we? Okay, we are still bouncing literally forever, but we could see if like the thing got created, which would be like
Doing the hair
ls
doll.
macOS.
No, I think the current working directory is the. It's not there, but it also might be here. Just plain ls.
What's weird is this is a different this is a different directory structure than we had previously, and that's wild
Is
to
that
me.
true?
Yeah, a little bit.
I don't think so. We were just only looking inside Hera.app before.
Sorry, where do you want me to look right now?
Control C ls. So we're not seeing it created here. If you remove the
Well,
open file,
but it
the
literally
open,
couldn't be created here because we're doing briefcase
why?
run, and we're still in the top level Hera directory. It would have to be inside of right. Like this copy of the code is not the copy of the code that's running when we do briefcase run.
That's fine, but it's about the current working directory, not where the code is. Um,
I see what you're saying.
but comment out the open line and just see if the app launches at all. Like, have we just ruined everything
It's well,
somehow?
it's totally
Oh, we got a briefcase update again. In fact, we didn't briefcase update last time, and so we're not
oh,
really testing it.
that's a good point. I know you hate being inside things, but let's
That's
just
fine. I don't care. We can do it.
uh,
You
briefcase
can do
update.
briefcase update, semicolon, briefcase run, or double ampersand briefcase run, and at least then we'll have one command to rerun every time.
Should I try uncommenting this line doing since we weren't really testing it? Should I try doing this first?
Let's leave this commented out. And let's do briefcase update ampersand ampersand briefcase run, just to make it easier to press up and enter.
I love pressing up and enter. It's most of my job.
Sounds like you should automate something.
Application
So,
updated. Starting app. Uh, well, that's interesting. It's
do
in
you
the
see it's
dock.
open dialog or not?
No, it's in. What's weird is it's. Okay.
That's a bit disturbing. Yeah, you can force quit it.
Yeah,
Is
okay,
it
here's.
is, is it
I want to
did it
try.
successfully die?
It never started. I think. Oh, what? Why can't I force? Why can't I force quit you? That's an interesting question.
Yeah, we got to make sure it successfully dies.
Yeah, no kidding.
It's probably called Python. Yeah.
It's not helping.
Oh, I
Oh,
think it will.
oh, look at this. That's fascinating. So
Good,
is
it's still
this.
sleeping. Kill 60670.
I just want to see if there's anything else that I should be killing as a result of this. No, I think it's just those two. So you think I should kill those with extreme prejudice?
Yep, I do. Kill dash 9. No more CPU time.
Man, I haven't heard MC Front a lot in a really long time.
I think that's Monzi, not Frontalot.
You think so? Hmm.
I do think so. Unless Monzi was just covering.
I really thought it was Front a lot, but I've been wrong before. Okay, now there seems to be nothing running that should be running. You still seem to be running, which is bizarre to me.
Yeah, welcome to the concept of apps that I don't understand. Oh boy.
Shouldn't this have
Um,
stopped and then returned?
yeah, I'm afraid I agree with you. Uh,
All
okay,
right, well, this is new.
okay. So, like, now what? We gotta kill this thing. How do you
That
quit from macOS?
what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up Activity Monitor, and then I'm going to here you go. You can see all of my activities, and somewhere in here there should be a thing where like
You can quit from
uh
the top right.
yeah
See Python 3.7. That's a bit suspicious.
oh interesting. Was there a
Yeah, kill
yeah
the 3.7 guy.
yeah that's probably true. Can I like
You can
um
probably write control dash 9. Oh yeah, I don't know, maybe
I
that.
yes force quit. I really want to quit it. but
Hmm?
I. Okay,
Okay.
okay.
And we on?
No.
No. Can you show all windows?
uh,
I mean, like right click on the B and then you show all windows.
there are no
Oh,
available windows. Okay, so let's do one more time and let's search in here for Hera and see if anything came up. That's freaky.
um,
What? Wait, what do you think this thing is called? I think it's called Hera, but when I search an activity monitor for Hera, nothing exists.
well, because activity monitors processes, but this is like weird on macOS apps.
Yeah, but like, yeah.
You'd expect that you'd expect, yeah, I know. Um, you'd expect that the app would only appear in the bottom if it relates to a process.
I might expect that. Spin times is no spotlight diagnostics. Yeah, I mean,
I like,
this is so
um,
freaky.
oh, there's a shell process too. Can you search for SH?
That's gonna come
Because
up.
you're spawning it with a shell.
Yeah,
Well,
I
information.
mean, there's a lot of things that are listed as shell processes. Bunch of Z
Yeah,
shell,
it's
D shell.
the ZSHs if it's anything, but then we need to be quitting your terminal basically.
Which, like,
Um,
maybe is fine. You
oh,
know.
actually, yeah, do that because remember how I launched the app in this horrifying non-macOS command line direct way? I probably screwed everything up that way.
Well, okay, I'm gonna close more terminals. I guess I'll just quit. Just gonna quit
Yeah,
it.
quit iTurn and the B will go away. Yep. No. Oh,
yeah, I keep thinking the B is gonna go away, but then it don't. This is so freaking bizarre.
um,
Uh, okay, force quit. Force quit. It tries it and then it like appears again.
yeah,
We've somehow we the BeeWare project is really good at making malware. I just want to throw that out there.
I guess so.
Okay, let's do a thing.
Um,
Let's open iTerm again. Let's see if we can get a working version 2 run.
yes, that's fine with me. We don't have to worry too much about this if we can get away from it.
Yeah, I'm just gonna make you big. Big. Like I might have to like restart my machine or something. That's fine.
Yeah, in a pinch we can do that.
I mean, yeah. Maybe this is why I should be developing all this in a virtual machine or something. Who knows? Okay. CD
Oh,
Hera. CD Hera.
you can do your
Okay.
activate.
I'm gonna do a weird thing. I'm gonna blow this away.
Fine.
I just wanna let's do the
But the B isn't gone yet, right?
what?
The B is still around, right?
Yep.
Okay,
Here, you know what? I'll keep the dog.
cool.
Turn hiding off.
Okay.
Okay. So
Pip and shell.
cool.
And
And then
briefcase
brief.
run.
Let's do briefcase.
We could do the update M double ampersand briefcase run.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah, we should
sure.
have done that first. Oh well. What's interesting is I'm doing an update. Aha.
Call create first. Yeah, because update will create, but run. Update won't create, but run will. That's fine.
Briefcase
That's this is.
run.
Yeah.
Generating a
You're a
briefcase.
little low on the screen. It
Oh
might be
yeah,
a
good
problem
call.
with
Good call.
streamer.
Good call. Good call. Although I'm not sure. I somehow lost my little bar that says how many people are. Oh, come on, you jerk. It says how many people are actually watching the stream, so I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. That's a good place for it though.
Great. Unpacking support package. Oh, there we go.
Zip. Do you know what zip does? Because I don't.
What zip does? Oh, zip. I don't.
Okay, that's fine. We'll
Okay,
worry
so
about it
now
with
it
somebody
says
today.
starting app.
But I don't see any bouncing bee balls.
No. Wow.
Um,
Uh.
we should probably figure out how to reboot or something.
I'm gonna try briefcase dev just to see what happens. Okay, starts with the yak icon. Fine. Okay, so that still works,
Yeah,
which is a little wild. Well, works for a given value of works. Yep. Okay, there we
yeah,
go. Cool. Great, great, great. Everything's fine.
yeah. It was, well, now what? We're trying to debug the thing that we can't test, probably until you reboot.
Yeah, I guess I kind of.
Unless you can figure out another way to quit this app. We could Google macOS quit app better, stronger than force quit.
Yeah, let's do that. MacOS force quit not working.
Hmm.
Let's see. What do you? I mean, like, what were you going to Google? Uh,
I mean, yeah, that's
is it
good.
safe to force quit? Great. Okay, I don't force quit from the Apple menu. Okay, that didn't work. Force quit with Mac shortcut.
Well,
Use Mac shortcut keys to close frozen applications on your keyboard. Well, what the fuck? Let's try it. Command Option Escape.
this looks disappointingly familiar. Don't quit Firefox! Sorry.
Do I want to quick force quit? Yes. But then it shows right back up. It's almost like there's some other process somewhere that if we were able to figure that out, we. Okay. Let's just do.
Want to grab for Hera or something?
Well.
Also, the output's too narrow in order for grep to work.
Yeah, that's fine. I can make you a little.
Usually, you can pass the columns environment variable to things like PS,
I
but it's
guess.
not going to be PS.
I guess what I'm really looking for is like something in the path that looks really suspicious.
Yep,
Like,
yep.
here's something. Why is there a running process for pipenv?
No, no, actually. What is it? PS space 61259. Well, PS space www space CX 61259.
PS space. What?
Wide wide www space paste. Okay, it's pip m shell, so I guess it's just wrapping your ZSH.
Huh.
It's gonna wait for your ZSH to exit, but fine.
Okay. Yeah, that seems fine. By the way, this is very interesting for me because I'm definitely like learning things, mostly about
Yeah.
like how to write things you can't kill.
Well, we don't
Uh,
know how to do it. We only know that we did. But
that's a
yes,
fair point. Uh, yeah, I'm just gonna scroll to the top of this and see if there's anything that looks like even vaguely like something that I could have. I mean, these
it's not your
processes.
fault.
Yeah, yeah, these processes are way too. Okay, let's starting here. Wait, wait,
Oh,
wait,
you have
wait.
a zombie process! Yes!
Yeah, who are you and why won't you die?
It won't die because its parent isn't calling waitpid. What is its parent?
How would I find that out?
I can't remember. Maybe you can look at activity monitor for the process at that process ID and who its parent is. But the problem is,
What if I were to just kill the -9 that process and we try again?
yeah, it's not gonna work.
It's not gonna
You can
work.
try it. No, this zombie processes. The listen. There's a weird thing about Unix, okay? And the weird thing about Unix is that when a process exits, it doesn't fully exit until its parent process calls a syscall to allow it to fully exit.
Got it. And so we're gonna take this.
Whoever started it needs to call waitpid.
Okay.
But
Well, let's see if we can find it. I mean,
yeah,
the systems are not Oh, that's interesting.
yeah, this thing probably doesn't show zombies.
I wonder if there's a way to make it show zombies. View all processes. All processes hierarchically.
Yeah, hierarchy is good
Now
in
we're
this case.
now we're getting somewhere. Nope, no, we're
Totally.
not. Uh,
Um, man, I don't know how to find its parent.
uh, I mean, it's
You could search for Python instead of the number, but
yeah.
I
The
think
thing
we
is that like,
might.
uh, okay.
Okay,
There's an I term. There's an I term. There's a
okay.
login.
That's fine. Let's go
C
back to the
shell.
shell.
There's that
Nope,
Python.
that's not.
Uh,
What about code?
uh, I mean VS Code. That would be wild if it
I
were
know.
VS Code keeping it open, but I
Um,
don't. I don't believe this either.
and the 3.7 guy.
Yeah, I mean that's. I guess there's no way to force kill a zombie process.
Yeah,
Truly.
I think I've never heard of one.
You know what? For giggles, let's Google MacOs kill zombie process. How to kill a zombie process on a Mac.
With the parent IDs in the second column, that's helpful.
How to kill or find its parent process. Oh shit.
Scroll, because we want the parent at least.
Mm-hmm. It
Oh
would be a
god.
very bad idea to kill LaunchD, but you can't tell it to up. That's kind of funny.
Yeah, do this guy. That's good. With the
Okay.
parent ID in the second column. Ppid, of course.
Yeah. Let's try this. Who knows?
Yeah. You
Oh.
need the actual. Give your PID at the end.
Oh. Again with the. That's fine. No. Also not what I wanted. Ugh.
Yeah, I don't remember the PID. You could PS grep Python 3.7 or something. It's in your history though. If you control
Here we go.
RPS.
It
Oh, there
was.
we go.
Uh.
Oh, okay. So 60151. So who is 60151?
What?
Ventilator supply demand. I feel like I'm not learning anything, but you could kill this thing.
Yeah.
Um,
What's interesting is
it's
it has a parent ID as well. That is wild. This is okay.
like it
Kill.
could be that it's unrelated.
I mean, the B is still there.
Yeah, is it that though? 60151.
60 60151 is now dead.
What about the one we were trying to kill?
I'm looking. Okay.
Yeah,
Six.
run the command. Don't just scroll
Say again.
up, 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 up. What? Yes, yes. Give PS 60857.
But I should do on this one 60857.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
that.
so it's dead. Maybe it was a red herring. It's an unrelated Python 3.7 zombie. Great. Hooray. I forgot about ppid for PS, and now I know about it, and that's really good because I'm going to want that later.
Yeah.
But,
Uh. But meanwhile, what the heck?
yeah.
This is so weird.
Now we have new problems.
Yeah, we do. So I'm just like scrolling up under my actual applications to see if there's anything here that's like, you are obviously a problem.
Yeah.
Because who knows? Maybe I'll find something. Transparency D, add privacy D, cloud photo D. Nope, nope. Student D, nope. DMD, ha.
Plain PP.
SSH agent. No, no, we're too high now. Uh.
So, like, um,
Yeah, I don't. Wait. Oh, wait.
yeah.
Doesn't. Mike this says it's VS Code.
What's that?
Restart VS Code.
Try it.
Sure.
What do I?
What? Who? Okay.
Excuse me. No.
That doesn't seem to have done it. Sorry, my. Thank you. I don't know how to pronounce your name. Mike Thies?
Oh yeah, yeah. Well,
Uh, but that did not seem to. Well, that's sure fascinating, ain't it?
PS to see if there's other zombies.
How.
PS UX grep capital Z.
Sorry, say that again. P.S.
Yeah. Space AUX pipe grep capital Z. Also, now there's music in the background. Is that intentional?
No, there's no music for me, man.
Uh, okay. Weird. Um, okay. Well, I don't know where the music is coming from, but it's fine. Um,
Like, I don't have anything playing on my computer. There's not even anything
yeah.
open that could play music.
Don't worry about it.
Okay. Wait, didn't I turn hiding? I thought I had hiding off. Oh, it's because I moved screens. That's why. Okay, cool. Um, okay. Well,
There's
that's
no
sure
zombies.
interesting. What?
There's no zombies. I think you should either. I think we need to try harder to quit this app, perhaps up to rebooting.
Yeah, I guess is there anything short of rebooting that would actually quit the app?
Because I don't understand macOS apps, I don't know. We could Google
Um,
harder.
if the parent is sbin launch D, you can only kill it with rebooting. It'd be a very bad idea to kill launch D, but you can tell it to hup. To reinitialize,
We could
I could
try
try
that. Why
this.
not? Come on,
There's a
do it.
good chance that by doing this,
Reboot
uh,
the
everything
system.
on my system will go away.
It's just a hang up signal. It should be fine.
Ready? Well,
Ready. Bam.
nice knowing you.
I need to go. No. Okay.
I mean, all right.
I think we're stuck.
Wait, this is interesting. I'm getting zombies from using Xcode, stopping the simulator, and it's handing the zombies to my own personal sbin launch D, which didn't go away when I logged out. Well, yeah,
Oh,
of
you
course.
can get PID launch D. Do PID of one word space launch D.
It should be.
Okay, fine. Do PSAUX grep launch D. PS space AUX.
Yeah.
You could try the same kill command against your own launch Ds if we can find them. Yeah, so
there's this.
like
There's this one.
we need the any other ones.
Uh, it looks like there's no other sbin launch Ds.
So then you could try the second hit that it gave you, which was embedded in something. No, in your terminal, in the PS. Scroll up to this second one, the 51646.
Hold on a second. Let me make this bigger. Okay. This thing, but this
51646.
is this is universal access. This is not universal access warn launch. Oh, I see. Whoa, that's weird.
Yeah, I don't know.
Agent dash dash launch D dash dash launch D. That's bizarre.
It's
Uh,
unlikely related, frankly, but we can try it.
okay. Goodbye again, maybe
Try again.
or
Do you
not.
still have the B?
I still have the B. The B is persistent. Uh, OS X console may help tracking the process. Yeah, I believe that it could potentially. Um, if I were to open this and then bring it to here, crash reports, human reports, system log, anything interesting, consoles. I mean, I
You
guess
probably
let's.
you search here for Hera or Python.
Oh, hello. Wait. Failed to bootstrap path. No such
It's the
file.
first one that's more interesting to me. Um,
When was this? This was 40 minutes ago, which is about when we started trying to get rid of this app.
it's
uh,
hard to say that that's important, but it might be.
yeah, but like, what would we do about it if it is the
Nothing. Right, right.
right? Exactly.
Let's search for Hera. Although there's now a podcast playing in the background. Service exited with an abnormal exit code. That's actually really interesting. But anyway,
What do
um,
you mean there's a podcast playing in the background? I don't understand, man. There's nothing
no, no, no,
on.
no, 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 no. I mean, in my world.
Oh, okay, 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 okay. I was like, what is
Oh
happening?
goodness.
What's interesting is I have what looks like a PID
Okay.
here.
Yeah, you can PS those guys. No, but they exited.
Right, exited with. I mean, maybe this doesn't matter.
If that's true, then briefcase run should work, but it doesn't, right?
Hmm.
Move the screen up. Can't see it on the stream. Too low.
Thanks. I'm gonna fix that in 1 second.
Also, I'm gonna get a peanut butter cup. Be right back.
Great. I'm gonna try to run this thing and see what happens.
Briefcase run still fails. Is that true?
That is definitely true.
Okay. OMG.
I mean, I guess
Um.
I could end the stream and restart it. That seems sad.
No. I think that's the only good option.
That's so sad.
Look at this Trader Joe's peanut butter cup, though.
Look, man, I want a peanut butter cup, but you know I can't
It's
have them.
awesome.
Hmm. Dang.
Mm.
I guess this like I'm okay doing it. It just kind of fundamentally goes against my feeling that like computers are knowable.
I know. I know. I wish I understood macOS better.
I mean, let me see if there's anything else that come. These are all pretty old. Cannot kill process shown in parentheses. I mean, this is
There's
yes.
also this. Um,
The actual
this
display.
was probably a zombie. One of the other hits was asking, "Is there something stronger than force quit?"
Oh, but actually, we don't think it's a zombie process anymore, do we?
We don't anymore. There's no hits for capital Z in the PS output.
Yeah, but then like. Hmm. Hmm. View all processes. And if I just search for Python anymore here, do I get anything interesting? I did get this one Python 3.8. Do I get your parent? Parent process Z shell. Okay, that seems totally fine and reasonable.
That's the
Yeah, this is the pimpvan shell thing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, what a bummer.
yeah. Um, I have this though.
Hey, I don't know what that is.
It's a Christmas tree shaped thumb drive.
How big is it?
4 gigs.
Wow.
Not big enough, but whatever.
Yeah, it never is. Okay. So,
There was a Stack Overflow thing that was like, is there something stronger than force quit? We could look at that.
where did you see this?
Hit back. Uh, on September 20, 2012, middle of screen.
There's something stronger than force quit. It's gone from the dock, but its window remains.
One thing that's horrifying.
That's what?
That's horrifying.
Yeah, I know. See if it's still running there. Go to the terminal and kill. Kill-9. Sudo kill. If it doesn't show up in activity, we can kill it for a second later the app is released.
I mean, you can
Oh!
kill system UI server.
Kill all dock.
Okay, fine, enjoy.
No, I actually. Oh, this might. I'm gonna laugh because this actually might be the thing. Where'd my terminal go?
Beats me.
Okay, I don't know why it took me so many times.
Do it, do it, do it, do it. Boom.
It's gonna come back in a second.
I hope
Okay.
so.
Well, what's interesting is now I've got the little dot saying it's running. So there's
Horrifying. Click
some.
the. What now? What does it say?
Uh,
Not responding.
I mean, it said not responding the whole time.
Yeah. You could kill all system UI server. Let's try that. It might log you out. I don't know.
Uh, yeah, that's true. Maybe left or stuck in place. What the heck does that even? Okay. Well,
Yeah.
possibly goodbye.
Probably goodbye. No. Okay.
Nope.
It
I
caught.
mean,
Hmm.
it did flash the icons in my menu bar for a little
That's
bit.
so bad.
Um, we could try naming the app something else so that we can launch it, because maybe it's a process name thing.
Yeah. Yeah. We could.
Although, again,
That's.
that raises the question of like, where does the process live?
Yeah.
All of this is so strange.
Okay. Let's do that. Let's change the Pi project toml.
Okay. Uh, Wait, what happened? All right, I killed VS Code because I was like, maybe it's VS Code.
I mean, the other problem is you might have to rename the Hera package in Python, in which case it'll get really weird.
Maybe I bet I don't. But let's find out.
Oh, if you change the formal name, if you change the formal name, that'll change the output and directory path, and that should do the trick.
This is my hope. Yeah, open recent. I don't know why you aren't opening. Come on. Here we go. Okay. Right. So if I go to PyProject Toml, cool. Oh, that's interesting. I got these IPNB checkpoints. Oh, probably from when I actually spun up the local thing.
Yeah, try
Yeah.
changing the formal name.
Formal name is we're going back to
Hera,
juvenile.
no, Hera X.
Hera X.
Yes, I don't know. Why not?
I spelled Hera X. There we go. Okay.
Great.
Okay. Are you ready? Shall we?
Yeah.
What we should do? Why? I don't. Man, my computer I think might just be having problems because it's doing some things.
I mean, even
Um,
my desktop is warm.
what?
My desktop here is warm.
Yeah, that's fair. Cool. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna do
Briefcase
briefcase update.
run. Briefcase update. You might have to briefcase build.
Is that a thing?
I meant create.
Briefcase create. Let's see what happens.
Yeah, I hope to see a Hera X get made.
Cool.
Oh my god. I'm
What?
sad. How do I not understand this basic thing?
I don't know that it's really that basic. Is the thing.
Okay.
Like one, I don't think you should beat yourself up for it, and two, it's like there's obviously some sort of weird MacOS thing happening.
Yeah, but then like um yeah, I guess that's true. Hmm.
It's truer than true.
Yeah, but then like why do I if I use macOS, why do I not understand how it works? So sad.
That one is trickier. That's true.
Like does this mean I should stop using it? I mean maybe. But there's always a good reason to stop using macOS, but then there's always a good reason to start using it again.
Yeah, that's basically been my experience. Also, my computer is just like really apparently doing a lot of things. I think it's like combination of running all this stuff plus upload and whatnot.
Yeah. Oh, and I mean the compute to do all the video processing and audio processing to get this stream out
Right.
continuously is.
Yeah, that's a good point. It's a good point. Hey, I'm still happy we figured out the audio thing. That's really neat.
Yeah, actually that's huge. I'm glad that we did that.
Yeah, because
significant,
we'll
yeah.
probably do some of these things again. Yeah, exactly. And so like at least now I have the facilities to do
Yes. I guess
audio
speaking of which,
printing.
I will probably stop on my end at the appointed stop time of 4 p.m.
Okay, cool. Well, should we see if we can get this? If we can get Hera X running?
Yeah,
Uh,
definitely.
Great. Well, let's get Hera X running and see what happens. So we're gonna do briefcase run.
Great. I wanted to see a bouncing bee. Yes!
What? That's the wildest shit. That's
Okay. Good enough for me.
uh
This
well,
is great. Okay, so now it's hanging forever. That's exciting. So what's the source code? Are we doing our open or not? Oh, hey, it worked. Great.
yeah.
Let's do this again, but go add our open call. Okay?
What if that was? Why do I feel like this is gonna end up with multiple copies of
Oh,
apps on my
no.
thing? Okay, so we're
Okay,
doing.
so we need to put the log somewhere. The current working directory is probably bad. Before we do this, can we like I just I'm worried that the reason that it hung forever before is that it was blocked on O. Well, let's try this. That's fine. Try this.
That it's blocked on I/O basically.
Yeah,
Yeah, I think that as well.
we
But
were
we.
trying before in /temp, which didn't work. Maybe you'll need update.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to get there.
Yeah, cool. If this works and it launches, then we can try to locate hera.log.
Hey, it launched.
So far,
Yeah, that's a
we
good
still
point.
need it. We still need it to show its little dialogue.
You mean like that?
Yes. Okay. Open something too. Great.
Okay.
Okay.
That.
Now,
Where
quit
did
this and let's try to find hera.log.
Where did it go?
You can do locate space hera.log. That might not be up to date yet, so then you can do sudo update db. Yeah. Okay.
Whoops.
Great. So you can do that. The locate plist thing.
Well, is this gonna? Okay. I've no. What is this gonna do? It can
It's
take some
just
time to generate,
it's fine. Just do it. It runs a program that lists all the files on your computer so that you can search them with the command line tool.
which is a neat tool, but I think it's gonna take a little while.
It won't take more than 10 seconds, I suspect, but I don't know.
I mean, I've got a lot of things on my computer, man.
Okay, fine. You can
Uh,
do find space dot pipe grep
Find
hera.log.
space dot pipe grep.
Yeah.
There we go.
Okay, so that's where it puts it. Fine, cat that. It should be empty, right?
I would hope.
Great. So then in a new terminal window, let's tail dash f that.
That was not the right. Nope, I don't want to print it. I mean, I could.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Tail space dash f so we can watch the file.
Yeah, but I need to go into Hera first.
You don't. Oh, yeah, you do. Okay, great.
Let's.
Okay, great. So now let's change your source code.
Yeah. Whoa! Hold on a second. It's doing font rendering. There we go.
Okay,
Okay.
good. We'll change your source code so that our prints go to that file.
Cool.
And that's the line 33 file equals log as a comma after the command. Keep this, keep this, keep this.
Oh, I see. I see.
Comma file equals log.
Cool.
Great. And let's
Uh,
just make sure that's printed, and then we'll know we're making progress. Yeah.
so that's gonna run, and then hopefully I'm gonna see a little blue dot here, which is gonna mean that like something printed to the log.
Your terminal window is too big. What is up with this window growing thing?
What?
Your terminal window, it used to only take up the top half of the screen.
Oh yeah, it does. It likes to grow.
Okay.
I don't know what to tell you. Okay,
That's fine.
starting app. Okay. This is great. Hey, it even popped a little thing to let me know, like, hey, here's a document app.
Well,
Oh,
hey,
hello.
we
I
got some
think
output.
we got output. That's so nice. Wait,
Okay.
I should try running that command and see what happens.
Yes, the problem is sure, try it. Just try it right now.
What's interesting is the notebook dir is bad.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, maybe not. No, the notebook dir is fine. The notebook dir I think
Okay.
is actually fine. But let's try that. Let's just try. I'm just gonna try running
Yep.
this here.
Yep.
No module named. Hello. No module named
Hello.
notebook.
That's because your Mac app doesn't include IPython Notebook as a dependency. And that's fixable.
Say
It,
what now? Oh, is this because I need it in the PyProject TOML? Is this a translation thing? Because it's in
100%.
here.
100%. You gotta
Uh,
add this to TOML.
oh my god, this whole thing. Okay, great. Do you
You know
remember
what's great?
how?
Russell's gonna watch this when he wakes up, and he's gonna be like, "You people spend an hour and a half not reading the upgrade guide, and then
Great. Requires. That's what I need,
yeah,
right? Except for
you bet."
I need it requires across the board.
That's okay. You can do that. That's where
Yeah,
you are is good.
yeah.
No, not in tool briefcase, but in app para.
Are you? Oh, I see. I see. I see. I see. I mean, maybe Russell's gonna wake up and have an opinion on the whole dead app thing.
Oh, that would be nice. Although I doubt it. I mean, it would be nice. He is a
Uh,
doctor, after all.
yeah, he is a doctor. He might know things. Um,
Didn't wasn't there another one? Or was that it?
well, there's pathlib. Yeah, I do need pathlib. That's true.
No, you're new enough. You don't need it anymore. Python 3.7 includes it.
Does it include it the way I'm using it? Is the important question.
Let me assume yes and just run with it.
Great,
Yes, I'm pretty sure it does.
great.
What about your other dependency in setup pi?
You mean toga?
Oh yeah, never mind. Yeah, okay. Do a you know how you have to do briefcase update but dash R for requirements?
Okay.
Requirements. And now you can relaunch it. I mean, consider quitting it.
Oh yeah, I could
Wait,
consider.
that was suspicious. It did not. I think we need dash D instead of dash R. It didn't install. I expected it to print something about Jupyter
What if I
or
just did
whatever.
briefcase create? I could
Well, yeah, you can do that.
dash D. What does dash D mean? What do these things mean, Asheesh?
I thought that
Oh yeah,
R
D for dependencies. There we go.
and R for requirements. Apparently, it's R for resources.
Yeah, that sounds about right. Yeah, I can't wait for Russell to watch this and be just like incredibly upset with us, but that's fine.
I'm really looking forward to it.
uh, cool.
We haven't checked that the upgrade guide told us to copy our dependencies over. While this installs, do you want to check that?
I mean, it does list this requires section, but that's fine. Uh,
Yeah.
Here we go. The install requires and app requires keys instead of reply. Replace what requires in your
Yep.
project normal. Yep. Cool. Well. Okay. Yep. Well.
This is great. Good call running that command.
Which command?
Where we
Oh
ran
yeah
the
yeah 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 yeah.
command from.
Yeah. Here we go.
Yeah,
This is the amount of installing I was expecting.
exactly. Exactly.
I'm glad that right at time we have managed to do one of the two things we talked about doing.
Yeah. Okay, that's not so bad. So
That's
let's
not so
see if
bad.
it. I'll stick around for another minute or two.
Great. And then sometime for the five of you who are watching, I guess four because I might be included in that.
Oh, I am too.
Oh, for the three of you who aren't us who are watching, you should tune in later this week when we figure out how to do what we actually were intending to do, which is install dependencies into the app's path as part of running this for real. I'm excited. I really want to get that done. Like whenever I tell
Yeah.
someone about this app, they're like, "Dude, that would be great," and I'm like, "Yes, I know."
Well, that's good. Except for my friend Chris, who was like, "What's the big deal? I can just use Conda."
He can, but he's a Python developer.
Yeah, that's right.
The whole point is that like you should be able to know nothing about how your system works and still be able to like load an IPython notebook.
Yeah.
If we have made you install a package manager, we have already broken.
Okay, but this app is kind of a package manager. So then, are we succeeding or are we failing?
Yeah, I think we're succeeding because it's a graphical. No, I mean like it's a. If you have to use a terminal package manager, I think that is
Yeah.
a failure mode of this very graphical app.
Yeah. Yeah.
I like that one of the packages that we are installing is apparently called App Nope.
Yeah, I wondered about that. While it's like writing this to disk or whatever, can you Google AppNope?
Yeah, all right. Because I'm curious too.
IPI.
I'm just gonna Google App Nope and see what happens. App Nope.
Oh,
Disabling
AppNap.
App Nap.
Oh,
Huh.
come on. AppNap's great.
Yeah.
Oh, but
Why would?
you have to explicitly disable it. Okay, fine.
Huh. What are the requirements on this? And I wonder who's claiming this. Wait, are we
Basic
done? Nope, not yet.
bum.
Who? Homepage?
Minark.
Wait, are we done?
Oh, yeah,
Hey!
that's nice. Anyway, cool.
Cool. So now we're gonna do a briefcase run, right?
I think so.
This is so exciting.
For Hera X, and then you can reboot.
Yeah, which I'm not super looking forward to, but it's fine.
Boing, boing, boing.
Boing, boing, boing. Oh, we also did
Oh,
figure out the icons thing. Maybe I can figure that out on my own. Who knows?
maybe.
Hera X. Okay. Ready?
Yeah, the icons are part of the Pi Project Toml.
Wait for
One,
it. Wait
two,
for it.
three,
Oh,
four.
I was really hoping this would work. Oh! I
It
saw.
won!
Hey! That's amazing. Okay, cool. Great. So we have successfully gotten to the point where we can say that Hera is at compatibility with where it was before the BeeWare upgrades. That's pretty cool.
Wait, so cool. That's actually great. That's great.
And this should handle resizing and all thing. Yeah, cool. It's all great.
Great.
Love it.
Wow. Okay, I'm no longer as sad as I was half an hour ago.
Yeah, me neither. Okay. Well, I think we should wrap up here. How about?
Great.
Cool. I'm gonna quit this. And for those of you who joined us and might still be joining us, thank you. And we'll be back sometime over the next couple weeks to
Wait,
hopefully
okay,
do
before
what we.
you give the full wrap-up spiel, can
What's up?
we look at the diff, basically? Like, get status?
Oh, sure. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Like, what have we done in the end?
Well, we should ignore those IPython notebooks because those were like not
Right.
actually part of this. We changed the Pi Project Toml. We changed. We didn't really change the pip file. We changed the Pi Project Toml. Really, this
Right.
whole thing was moving from setup.py to Pi Project Toml, which now I think means that I can get rid of the setup.py. Like, what's it doing for me
Yeah,
anymore?
nothing. The doc say it's doing nothing for you.
Great. So yeah, that's what we did. Is we figured out the hardest possible way how to move from setup.py to piproject.toml.
Yeah, that's incredible. Thanks for playing.
Thanks everybody. We'll see you when we see you. Hopefully soon. Bye.